Hello everyone. With ChatGPT, we will create a website, calculator website, and that is within single minute. So within a minute, we will create this calculator website. For creating it, we'll type create a calculator website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and let the ChatGPT write all the codes. So here ChatGPT is writing code for HTML for us, and later it will create a code for CSS and JavaScript. If you don't know what is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you have playlist in our channel, so you can check that as well. For this video I will let you know HTML will create a skeleton of the calculator, CSS will give a look and feel of that calculator, and the whatever the logic of that calculator is carry forward by JavaScript. So I'm just copying the HTML. Here I went to Visual Studio Code and I'm just created one folder which is calculator, and inside folder I'm going to create three files. One is HTML, another is CSS, and JavaScript. So basically HTML is nothing but we will be having the skeleton, what all the buttons are there or what are the other things. So we will be creating in HTML. We just pasted. After that we'll went back to ChatGPT, copied CSS and pasted the CSS file. Again this look and feel we wanted to look more good in the calculator, so that's why we asked ChatGPT to regenerate the CSS file. So we'll copy this file and paste it in our CSS, and now we have all three files, CSS, JavaScript, and HTML. Let's run this. Yeah, this is running very perfectly without any bug and any issue. And yeah, thank you so much guys. Do subscribe to Code for Placement and stay tuned with us. We will come up with lots of videos and tutorials. Thank you so much.